So hi everyone, myself Basavva Chetan. So I'm working with Bhoomi Agro in Hitex Private Limited. It is a Rajkot-based company which is manufacturing the products in agricultural mechanization or farm mechanization. So we have a wide range of products. So we have rotavator, seed drill, we have mulching paper laying machine. We have products related for groundnut digger and destoners. So we have displayed some of the products here. So let me take you one by one there. So this is first of all rotavator, which is used for primary tillage operation for loosening the soil. So it is a tractor operated 6 feet 42 blade rotavator. Then we have the seed drill, which is generally used for. It is a kind of seed drill which is used for groundnut, especially for groundnut, because we need to see each and every operation, and sowing is one of the major operations, because without sowing we cannot go for the yield. So we have a machine for sowing groundnut, as well as we have total 52 varieties of seed drill. And we have this one is a groundnut digger, specially used for groundnut from the ground. Is a labor oriented program, but we can do it by this machine. We can take the groundnut from the ground, from the soil, by this machine. So it is one of the helpful for the farmer who are cultivating groundnut, and it is one of the most problem solution machine. It is a groundnut destoner, because most of the farmers are facing a problem in segregating soil and the yield. So it is one of the machine where groundnut can be separated from sand, soil, stones, whatever it is. We can be segregated, and the pure groundnut we can take it for the market. And it is a fertilizer broadcaster, specially used for paddy belt or paddy farming. We can it has a capacity of around 300 to 400 kgs. And this is a mulching paper laying machine, including with a drip pipe, and we can create the bunds also. So all the equipments we have here are tractor operated. So each and everything is require tractor, and it reduces the usage of labor, and it is a cost cutting program. Thank you.